Okay guys, up at the patch, and it's maiden day for the cute girl from Dancing Wings. We'll give it a buzz. I think the grass looks quite short, so it should get off the ground okay, and fingers crossed we've got everything set up just right. So thanks for watching, and let's get up to the patch. See the windsock, 7 miles an hour. Let's see if it'll roll on this grass. Last check. Here we go. Easily. Well, she floats around lovely. Let's bring her down a bit. It's very lightly loaded. Climbs on full throttle, look at that. Let's try a loop. Oh, a bit more speed. Nice tight looped. Bring her around again, try landing. Oh, that's full up, wouldn't keep it. Never mind, that was good. Plenty of room now. Wind's getting up, a little bit gusty, but it's perfectly okay. Now I dialed in a bit of right trim, a little bit as you can see. I'll try and see how it goes on this one. Here we go. Go on cute girl, show us. Oh, I'll abandon that. The wind got under it then. Glad I put that carbon spar in. I'll tell you what, should we try hand launch? Just for a bit of fun. Just for a bit of fun, see how it goes. Easy. Easy. It's a bit buffety low down. Let's try that again. Tell you what, it's so gentle to fly. That's about half throttle and it flies so smooth. A relaxing little aeroplane it is. I'm trying to get it down lower. Gorgeous. Let's see how tight a circuit will do. Here we go. Look at that. I'm going to attempt to land in, chaps. Okay. Yeah, it'll nose over, I'm sure, but Did last time. Nearly got away with it. Nearly got a 3-pointer, but all good fun. I'm just wondering if I could strap my camera to the plane. Should be a bit of fun. I'm just going to push that in a bit tighter as well because the undercarriage has taken. I haven't glued it in because it was an experiment. What I think I might do is just to bend it and rake the wheels forward slightly in an attempt to keep the nose off the ground. I'm going to try the camera on the top of the cute girl now, so we'll see what we get. Might be fun, might be disastrous. Hi guys. What a hoot. What a hoot this model is.